Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to fix sea moss. First, you'll want to prepare your dried sea moss by carefully inspecting it for any ocean debris like sand or small shells. Then, place the sea moss in a large bowl and rinse it thoroughly under cold, filtered, or spring water. Gently massage the sea moss with your hands to dislodge any lingering impurities. Repeat this rinsing process several times until the water runs clear, ensuring a clean base for your gel. Once your sea moss is clean, it's time to rehydrate it. Transfer the rinsed sea moss to a large bowl and cover it completely with fresh, filtered, or spring water. The sea moss will absorb the water and expand to about 2 or 3 times its original size. You can add a squeeze of lime or lemon juice to help neutralize any ocean taste. Let it soak at room temperature for 6 to 12 hours, or even overnight, to ensure it becomes soft and pliable. After soaking, drain the water from your now plump and soft sea moss. Transfer the rehydrated sea moss to a high-powered blender. Add fresh, filtered, or spring water. A good starting ratio is about 1 cup of water for every cup of sea moss. Blend on high speed for 1 to 3 minutes, or until you achieve a smooth, creamy, and consistent gel. You can adjust the thickness by adding a little more water if desired. Once your sea moss gel is perfectly blended, pour it into a clean, airtight glass container, such as a mason jar. Place the container in the refrigerator. The gel will continue to thicken over the next 2 hours. Properly stored, your homemade sea moss gel will last for 2 to 3 weeks in the refrigerator. For longer preservation, you can freeze it in ice cube trays for up to 6 months, making it easy to add to your daily routine.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.